Hi there, students. A Patsy. A Patsy. Okay, I think this is informal American slang, but I think any Brit would understand this as well. Let's see, to me, firstly, a patsy is a person who is blamed when things go wrong, like a scapegoat. So I always end up being the patsy for all my boss's mistakes. He makes a mistake and I get the blame. Yeah, it's not nice being a patsy, the person who always gets the blame. You can also use a patsy for somebody who's easily cheated. Yeah, somebody who's easily taken advantage of. So a con man spends his life looking for a good patsy, a mug, a sucker, yeah, or a fool guy. Okay, so notice a mug or a sucker, this is somebody who's easy to trick, easy to cheat. And the fool guy, this is the person who ends up getting the blame, who ends up taking the blame. Okay, so if you're a patsy, you are easily victimized, yeah, or you are the sacrificial victim for somebody else. Okay, so if you describe somebody as a patsy, you're saying they're a bit slow and stupid. It's easy to trick them, and it's quite easy to get them to take the blame for things that go wrong. I think in companies nowadays, apportioning blame is one of the great habits, and I think everybody's looking for a patsy. They're looking for somebody to blame, a scapegoat, somebody who is going to for them to victimize, somebody who's easy to impose upon. Okay, so notice this word a patsy. This is informal. It's American. I think I'd probably give this a 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing? Probably not. Maybe just, but no, I think more like a neutral writing at maximum. And then as to origin, effectively they're two different ideas as to origin. Firstly, this word appeared probably in the 1870s in the US, and this is around the peak of Irish migration. And Patsy is short for Patrick, Paddy. A Paddy is an Irishman. And that may be the origin. But there's also another suggestion that it comes from the Italian word pazzo, meaning a madman. Yeah? Paccio, a fool. Okay, so maybe either of these. That's actually even another one. There was a character called Patsy Bolivar, who was part of a minstrel sketch, who always got blamed when anything went wrong. But anyway, a patsy. The person who gets the blame, somebody to get the blame when things go wrong. Yeah, everybody's looking for a patsy. Yeah, or somebody who's easy to cheat. Being the patsy that I am, I fell for his unfair deal. Yeah, I fell for his trick. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Patsy.